We'll do it live. All right. I don't normally go live. And, well, this is not the software I would have, that I want to go live. Maybe I'll look into that. But because of the situation, I've decided that I probably should go online and add my 2 cents to what's going on. So we're at all-time highs again. Bitcoin is at 105,000. We touched 106, actually 106.5. All right, not bad. There is a lot going on right now. We're getting closer and closer to the inauguration of Trump, and the strategic Bitcoin reserve is seeming like it's going to happen. To let you know what's going on with the market, as Bitcoin continues to go up, we see that the ETH Bitcoin dominance has broken out. So Ethereum has started to move in relation to Bitcoin. This current move that we're having today, moderation helps everyone feel safe. Choose who can participate. Okay. Right. So basically, Ethereum is broken out. Ethereum is going to be heading upwards, probably towards 6K, somewhere around there, pretty soon, within a few months. As this happens, the altcoins would start to break out even more. We've seen that the older coins have been breaking out. The dinosaur coins are broken out, like ADA. You saw XRP do a 5x, and I anticipate that these kind of movements are going to continue, but that's not really the most exciting part. That's not the part that I'm most excited about. What I'm excited about is that eventually this capital is going to flow into the mid caps, and then more importantly, the micro caps and the small caps. So that's really what I'm waiting for, and I think it's going to be interesting. Altcoins are reacting quite well, as you would expect them to do. Being that Bitcoin is now broken over 100,000, I think that this 100,000 mark is very important, because now we could end up using 100,000 as support. At some point, 100K Bitcoin is going to be your support. And the way how the human mind works, we tend to think in intervals, right? So once you break above 100,000, it's easier to get to 200,000. A lot easier. The 100,000 was an important psychological barrier, which has been broken. If you look at how the charts look, we were getting higher lows, heading back up to 100K, because there's a few times we broke above 100K, and we hit like 102 or 103, and then we would go back to 95, 94, and we would go back and forth. So it wasn't really solid in everyone's mind, 100K Bitcoin. But now I think it is that we've hit 106, right? So now 100K can be used as a base. I had to get online and let you know what's going on, because you're probably going to be wondering what's going on with the market. Every now and then you probably check your phone and you look down and you see 106K Bitcoin. You're like, really? Like, what in the world is happening? So Ethereum's flirting with 4K, and it's just a matter of time before the altcoins really start to take off. And more importantly, first Ethereum's going to run, right? We're looking for Ethereum to head to all-time highs and then break all-time highs. And this could happen probably within a month or so. It might happen quicker than that, right? Once that happens, the altcoins are going to go completely bat crazy. They're going to go nuts. And this is going to eventually flow down into the gems that we've been acquiring for quite a long time. And once that happens, now we see the fireworks. I do believe that 2025 is going to be very, very entertaining. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens. We've been acquiring these microcaps for quite a long time. Do check out the channel information and check out the Patreon, and you can see which coins I'm buying, when I'm buying them, and what price I'm buying them for. Because it's been my contention for a long time that this bull run is going to be lasting quite a while. We're looking at Q1 of 2024 before we top out, most likely. I'm not saying that I know all of this for a fact, but the hypothesis and the thesis on this channel has been playing out to the T for quite a while. So I'm going to be looking at around Q1 of 2024 for some kind of local top. I do not believe that will be the cycle top, because I do believe the cycle top will happen in a normal 4-year cycle, approximately around November of 2025. And in the meantime, a lot of things could happen. There is a speculation that we could have a buy the rumor, sell the news event with the presidential election coming up in January, the inauguration of Trump coming up January 20th. We'll see. Who knows, right? What I will say is that it's dangerous to be outside of the market, because at any given moment, Bitcoin could have a really solid, strong green candle. And if you're not in the moment at that time, some of your favorite altcoins might go up a few 100%. And getting back in after that will be very, very painful, because you'll only have 1/4 the coins you would have had if you would have just held. And that's why on this channel, we accumulate and we wait. And as far as DCing out, we DCA out when we're in tremendous profit. But congratulations to everyone who's in the market, and you're seeing history is being made. You're seeing Bitcoin hitting 106. It's really, really good news. And now we can use the previous resistance as support as we continue to build and move on upwards. And I think that we'll continue to use this as support. And Ethereum is going to end up heading back to 4,800. It might have a slight pullback at that point, and then it'll come back and retest it and eventually break through. And as it breaks through and Ethereum starts reaching new highs, it's going to take all coins with it, right? So Bitcoin at this moment, two things could happen. One of two things: either Bitcoin gets a really solid green candle and Bitcoin dominance completely flips out, and then that means that we'll have to just wait another week or so for the altcoins to catch up. But Bitcoin dominance right now is 57.17. So with this move that Bitcoin just made, Bitcoin dominance is not really skyrocketing at all. Actually, it's pulled up a little bit, but it's not skyrocketing. So, which means that this slight push for Bitcoin upwards is really good for the altcoins right now. Really good for the large cap altcoins in particular. So you're seeing all of the large caps react: Doge, ADA, AVAX. They're reacting right now. The total crypto market cap, the top 10. So these are excluding the top 10. The total crypto market cap, excluding the top 10, actually is pumping right now. It's at 413. So it's 413 billion. Those are the coins that we're concerned with the most on this channel. So this pump is actually really good for our small cap coins. But again, altcoin season, we are in altcoin season, but the real explosive part of it, when we start going crazy, when our coins start really going crazy, is just around the corner. We're a few months away, all right? So just wanted to get online and let you know what's going on. Remember to continue to check out the channel. This is Crypto.XL with your market update as we break all-time highs. It seems now on a weekly basis, right? Remember to check out our Patreon. I will keep you informed of what's going on and to let you know what my strategy is and which coins I'm picking up and for what prices I'm buying them for. Do remember that none of this is financial advice and you have to manage your risk. And I will see you at the top. Crypto.XL.